Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking things to a whole new level with the Dopamine Bomb 2.0. Advanced techniques that turn a casual interest into a full-blown obsession. This is next-level psychological warfare, designed to hijack her brain's reward system and make her crave you like an addiction. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step playbook that's rooted in science, tested in the real world, and guaranteed to set you apart from every other guy she's ever met. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about dopamine, the brain's pleasure chemical. It's not just about giving her pleasure. It's about creating anticipation, unpredictability, and emotional spikes. That's what triggers her dopamine pathways and makes you unforgettable. The problem? Most guys kill attraction by being too consistent, too predictable, too safe. The Dopamine Bomb 2.0 is all about turning that on its head. Step 1, the hooked uncertainty principle. Start with powerful, open-ended statements that leave room for interpretation. Instead of, "I had a great day," say, "Something wild happened today, but that's a story for another time." That unfinished story triggers her brain's information gap, leaving her mind obsessed with filling in the blanks. Step 2, reward intermittence. This is straight from the slot machine playbook. Give her attention and validation, but not consistently. Text her with enthusiasm sometimes, and then leave her hanging just long enough to trigger the dopamine hit when you finally reply. Research from behavioral psychology shows that variable rewards, unpredictable and inconsistent, are the most addictive. You're literally training her brain to crave your attention. Step 3, emotional roller coaster. Mix emotional highs and lows without being toxic. Compliment her, then challenge her. Laugh with her, then pause with a knowing smile. These contrasts create emotional spikes that keep her brain in a heightened state of engagement. She'll keep coming back for more, trying to predict what you'll do next. Step 4, sensory stacking. Engage multiple senses during your interactions. A playful touch, a subtle scent, a warm smile, and a confident tone of voice. Each one layers on top of the others to create a rich, multi-sensory experience that her brain locks onto. Every time she sees, hears, or feels something similar, her mind will snap right back to you. Step 5, the scarcity amplifier. Remember, people want what they can't have. Show her that your time is valuable, that you have a life beyond her. When she senses that you're not waiting around for her validation, her desire to win you over skyrockets. The key is to stay grounded, calm, and in control, no matter what. Throughout this process, remember, the Dopamine Bomb 2.0 isn't about playing games. It's about understanding human psychology and using it to build real, undeniable attraction. You're giving her an experience that no other guy can match. That's why she craves you. In this video, I'll show you real-life examples, screenshots, and even live breakdowns of these techniques in action, so you can see exactly how to use them to your advantage. If you found this breakdown valuable, and I know you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which Dopamine Bomb technique you're going to deploy first. Stay ruthless, stay sharp, and keep evolving.